Hey y'all, so listen, I know y'all been seeing all of these meals that I've been making lately. I've been using my SODAY pan, but because I use music, I can't add them. Don't get yours because they on sale. Okay, so first of all, let's start by saying the packaging is so secure. They wanted to make sure that nothing is broken. So the way that they packaged it, it is packaged into stacks. That is the best way to make sure that it handles the shipping firm wherever it comes from, okay? So as I'm taking this out, I'm going to go ahead and give you the details. So first of all, this retails for $599.99. That means this originally is $600. But right now, the sale price for it is $79.94. It is definitely a great buy. Right here, you'll see that I actually purchased my set in black, but it also comes in white. It ships in 7 days. It is 12 pieces. So you get a 9-inch and 11-inch frying pan, 11-inch saute pan, a 6-inch saucepan, a 9-inch saucepan, a 9-inch steamer pot. You also get all 3 lids, so a 6-inch, a 9-inch, and 11-inch. You get a silicone spatula, a silicone spoon, which is a ladle spoon, and also a silicone tongue, okay? So do you see the details at the bottom? So they decided to put their logo on the bottom of every one of these durable pots. I don't blame them. When you come across something amazing like this, you want your name on it, okay? They definitely knew exactly what they were doing. I love how the papers that is inside of each pot says, unleash your culinary creativity with the granite cookware. So you guys, this right here is heat resistant. It is hard and durable. It is non-stick, easy to clean, and you don't have to worry about nothing. It also says that it is scratch resistant, okay? First of all, they also thought about everything. They seen that these have screws, so they sent you a screwdriver. I've never seen this ever in my life take place. So go ahead and place your order today. You will not be disappointed.